Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. This show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today is April 29th, 2021, and I'm your host, Dan. All right, today was the day that we were waiting for from the SEC on their response to the VanEck Bitcoin ETF, and not surprisingly, they are kicking the can down the road, so they are deferring their response, and now the new date to look for is going to be June 17, 2021. Bummer, but I wouldn't say I'm surprised. In Germany, they just passed legislations allowing their institutional investors to invest up to 20% of their portfolio into crypto. Now that potentially can be up to $400 billion that can be allocated towards crypto, and they can start owning it on July 1st. I thought this was very big news, but for some reason we didn't see it in the Bitcoin action. So we'll just kind of have to wait and see. Maybe people will front run the Germans before July 1st. We'll see. And not to be outshined by Germany, some good news in the US. US Bank is offering a custody service for digital assets, and they're saying that this is in response to high demand from institutional investors such as pension funds and insurance companies that see cryptocurrency as a new digital asset class. So that's great to hear. Wealthfront, the robo-advisor, is going to be allowing their clients to have cryptocurrency in their portfolio. So I'm very interested in seeing how their algorithm will allocate towards crypto. Would it be all Bitcoin or some Bitcoin and some Ether and then a little amount of altcoins? So we'll see. I'm very interested in see how they will allocate towards crypto. CME reported their earnings, and thanks to Bitcoin action, they saw Bitcoin futures action increasing by 43%. And don't forget that they are launching the micro Bitcoin futures starting on May 3rd. So whether they like Bitcoin or not, they can't deny that Bitcoin brings the business. And these legacy brokerages will need to start offering some kind of crypto service. Otherwise, Coinbase is gonna attract all the money. Genesis also reported, so they have about $20 billion in loan originations in Q1 and $32 billion in spot volume trading. So this space is booming thanks to the bull run. Japanese game publisher Nexon is investing in Bitcoin. They bought $100 million of Bitcoin for their balance sheet for an average of $58,000 per Bitcoin. So they have about 1,700 Bitcoin on their balance sheet. And their reason is they want to use it to maintain the value of their cash over time instead of letting it sit in cash and being devalued. So add them onto the bitcointreasuries.org list. And Cordano launched their Africa Cordano initiative. So they're using blockchain for good, such as using blockchain to track the progress of a student through Ethiopia's educational system. So it's great that we're seeing some of the good that can come from blockchain technology, and not all of it is going towards, greed and wasteful stuff. All right, that's all I have for you today. Take care.